Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer large VMs using Veeam Agent for Linux, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring large VMs using Veeam Agent for Linux, first, ensure that you have the latest version of Veeam Agent installed on your Linux machine. Next, open the terminal application on your Linux system. Type the command to start Veeam Agent and press enter. Once Veeam Agent is open, navigate to the backup menu. From the backup menu, choose the option for creating a new backup job. Provide a name for the backup job that clearly identifies the VM you intend to transfer. Select the desired virtual machine you wish to backup from the list of available VMs. Next, configure the backup destination where you want the backup files to be stored. You can choose a local drive, network share, or any supported storage option. Ensure that the destination has enough space to accommodate the large VM. Now, proceed to set up the backup schedule according to your needs. You can choose to run the backup immediately or schedule it for a later time. Once you have set the schedule, review all the job settings for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Finish button to create the backup job. After the backup job is created, it will automatically start based on the schedule you defined. Monitor the backup progress in the Veeam interface to ensure it completes successfully. Once the backup is finished, locate the backup files in the destination you specified. Confirm that all necessary files are present and intact. To transfer the backed up VM, you can either copy the files directly to your target location or restore them using the Veeam Agent. If you choose to restore, open the Veeam Agent interface and navigate to the Restore section. Select the option for restoring from backup, and choose the VM backup you just created. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process to the desired location. Once the restoration is finished, verify the VM's integrity and functionality. Finally, test the VM to ensure it operates correctly in its new location. You have now successfully transferred a large VM using Veeam Agent for Linux. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.